Hello YouTube, long story short, had to use a little axe this week. The job was involving a gas pipe and electrical cable and a root. So I went for the smallest, lightest, least possible chance of as I possibly could. So edge has took a beating. So what I'm going to do is give it a little bit of a free hand, just to dress it up a bit. So this wonderful machine here takes abrasive belts with no guards, no covering around it whatsoever, so it's all exposed, easy to change the belts. I'm going to start with 120 grit, 120 little bits of nasty abrasive per inch. Smallish grit, but still quite chewy, because that's some serious damage on there. So I'm going to start on 120, remove on both sides like this. Some people go straight on and take away the chips. I'm just going to go a little bit on each side. There's a lot of abrasive dust and the steel coming off of this, so I will be wearing a mask at the same time, and I got an extraction going. So let's go. So that's a utility edge put on this SOG. It's called a Fast Hawk. Plenty good enough for a little working tool like this for using outdoors on hard, knotty wood. Yeah, so it doesn't have to be that refined. It's going to be taking a beating anyway. So that's how I would do that on a tool of this size used for outdoor gear. So Scott Wessex Blades, thanks for joining me. Sort of quick and easy, down and dirty way of doing it. Freehand on the grinder, about the same angle on the inside. Might have to move it a bit about because it's ever so slightly bigger than the belt, whatever, and I just took the burr off on a buffing wheel. Slightly convex the terminal edge of it anyway. So thanks for joining me. Scott Wessex Blades out. Don't forget to check out Wessex Camping and Outdoors. Just put a fantastic bit of work up by Mitchell in terms of his camera work, so hopefully you'll catch on up on the link down below. Scott Wessex Blades. Catch you on the flip side. Hi, you again. Did you know I was talking to Wessex the other day? All he was doing was faffing about with this blooming Golok thing. Golok? I thought it was a parang. You know, parang. Only idiots use Goloks. Really? Well, that's what I thought. I think Goloks are the way to go, aren't they? I just, yeah. Far better know. What's those other things called? No, mate. Parangs, that's the way to go. Because yeah. Who'd ever want a Golok? Gotta have a parang. Gotta have a parang. Oh no. Definitely Golok for me. Definitely. Parangs in the UK.